So what's up? Kamusta? Ayos ba tayo dyan? So ngayong araw din na to, ito yung pangatlong in-unveil ni FKM Motorcycle Philippines. Ito yung Coolcer 500. Grabe, pangalan pa lang napaka-cool na ng kanyang design. So ikutan natin para at least ma-share ko sa inyo. Let's go.
I flip her over, hit it from the back, cause she likes that. I'm writing lyrics like her poetry, she writes back. The things she's never done before, she's down to try that. She got a price tag, only I could buy that. She always a day one, she got the tats done.
Okay, silipin natin ang isang to. Gandang-ganda rin ako sa isang to. Siyempre, ito yung 500cc na abot natin. Pero hindi ko siya inupuan. Kasi gusto ko siyang iunang maupuan ngayong 2025 kapag nasa kasa na siya. At 5 to ang ating height. Tingin ko abot natin to. Pero hindi ko sure yung kanyang bigat kung kaya ba natin. Kasi medyo mabigat ang isang to. So ayun na nga, sa kanyang looks, grabe, napakaganda rin ng isang to. Napaka-premium nung itsura. Yung forma niya talagang, alam niyo yung pang cruiser type. Dahil nga sa pangalan niya na Coolcer, napaka-cool talaga niya, sir. Grabe. So, cruiser type position, ang 500cc na to. Yung presyo niya, malalaman nyo mamaya. Kung mahilig ka sa mga cruiser type na motorcycle na talagang modern yung kanyang design, isa to sa mga i-recommend ko sa inyo. Hindi dahil na-invite tayo ni FKM dito, pero nakita ko to, grabe, maganda rin ang isang to. Napakaganda rin ng kanyang specification, lalo na yung makina, naka-between na, 'di ba? So, isa rin to sa mga parang, alam niyo yung Harley Davidson, kung paano yung position niya. Ganun din siya. So, kung mahilig ka sa mga ganong position, isa to. Pwede rin tong pagpilian sa mga cruiser type na motorcycle na nilabas ngayong 2025. Okay, umpisahan natin yung kanyang specification sa engine. Kaya nga nasabi ko kanina, ito ay naka-between engine. Naka-dual overhead cam, naka-8 bulbs, liquid cooled na rin ang isang to. Ang displacement nito, 500cc. Maximum power, 28 kilowatts at 8,000 RPM. Na may maximum torque na 38.5 Nm at 6,250 RPM. Ito ay naka-EFI na rin. Ito ay merong 6-speed manual transmission. Para naman sa kanyang front suspension, naka-inverted forks na rin ng isang to. Astig, diba? Sa kanya namang likuran, ito ay naka-dual shock absorber. Astig. At para naman sa kanyang tires, sa front ay 150 by 80 by 15, samantalang sa likod naman ay 130 70 by 18. Sa overall dimension, meron itong 23.5 by 78.4 by 110.2 cm. Wheelbase, 151.5 cm. Samantalang ang seat height nito ay 69 cm lang. Pwede na sa mga 5 to na kagaya natin. Para naman sa kanyang ground clearance, meron itong 16 cm. Samantalang ang curb weight nito, meron itong 193 kg. Medyo mabigat. Pero ang kanyang fuel capacity, napakalaki din. Meron itong 16.8 liters. Malayo-layo na. Kung ipang long ride mo to, 'di ba? Astig, ayos na ayos to. So, ayun na nga, para dun sa mga gustong kumuha ng mga ganitong motorcycle ngayon 2025, pwede nyo akong i-PM para at least ma-assist ko kayo sa mga branch ni FKM. Para at least matulungan ko kayo na makapag-pull out or makapag-release ng motor. So, baka ito na yung hinahanap mong motorcycle, 500cc. At para naman sa presyo nga pala nito, ito ay nagkakahalaga ng 238,000. Di hamak na mas mababa ito compared dun sa dalawa nating na vlog na Scrambler at yung Racer ng Express 500. So, sa tingin nyo, sulit nga ba ang presyo nito ngayong 2025? Astig, diba? So ayun na nga, sana nakatulong tong video na to sa mga naghahanap ng mga motor na 500cc. So kita-kita na lang ulit tayo sa mga susunod nating video. I'm Mark D. Ciao.
Hey man, I feel like our generation has given up on love. Like, do you think people actually ever fall in love anymore? Or is that just from movies?
flip her over, hit it from the back, cause she likes that. I'm writing lyrics like her poetry, she writes back the things she's never done before, she's down to try that. She got a price tag, only I could buy that. She always a day one, she got the tats done. We gon' build this all together till the world's gone. Bank account overdrawn, not a gold digger, nah. She here for all my flaws, we gon' make it to the top. She live in my section, I show she's reppin'. One look at her and you know I ain't second guessing. Never got me stressing, yeah she's a blessing. Look her body up and down, got me obsessing. I took her in some pieces, we picked them up on the weekend. Tequila, we keep on drinking till our bodies do the thinking. The mattress is always sinking, the headboard is always squeaking. She gives me all of the feelings, I think I began the healing. We're switching up our positions, my baby is on a mission. She always got my permission to do whatever she wishing. She dressing up like a kid and she be my only addiction. And when she talk, man, I listen. I flip her over, hit it from the back, cause she likes that. I'm writing lyrics like a poetry, she writes back the things she's never done before, she's down to try that. She got a price tag, only I could buy that. Flip her, now she's on her back, cause she likes that. I'm writing lyrics like a poetry, she writes back the things she's never done before, she's down to try that. She got a price tag, only I could buy that. Find somebody who loves you for you and what you do. You need somebody through and through to make it through. Trust me, I was lost and frostbit, exhausted. The coldness of the dating scene had me nauseous. I started getting toxic, ain't it ironic? Became the problem that I hated, couldn't stop it. I needed someone true, someone like you, someone who had a different view, committed to. Your smile, my only weakness. I know it's cheesy, but Jesus, you make my tongue awfully speechless. Good thing it works when I need it. I'm always warm and you're freezing. I heat you up in the evening. You got my back, I believe it. I got your back, never leaving. This fairy tale ain't no fiction, cause every day, man, I live it. Patience and work the beginning. Set myself up for this living. She did the same, now we in it. Knew what we wanted to get, and when we found it, we committed. I flip her over, hit it from the back, cause she likes that. I'm writing lyrics like a poetry, she writes back the things she's never done before, she's down to try that. She got a price tag, only I could buy that. Flip her, now she's on her back, cause she likes that. I'm writing lyrics like a poetry, she writes back the things she's never done before, she's down to try that. She got a price tag, only I could buy that.
Hey man, I feel like our generation has given up on love. Like, do you think people actually ever fall in love anymore?